The maritime landscape surrounding North Korea's catastrophic naval disaster has taken an unprecedented turn with the emergence of enigmatic white balloon-like objects, transforming what began as a humiliating military failure into a compelling demonstration of technological adaptability and strategic innovation. The debacle commenced on May 21, 2025, when a 5,000-ton destroyer catastrophically slid off its transport flat car during a ceremonial launch at Cheongjin Port, witnessed by Supreme Leader Kim Jong-un, who subsequently denounced the incident as a criminal act that brought shame to the nation's prestige, with the massive warship now lying partially submerged with its bow section protruding awkwardly from the northeastern waters like a monument to military incompetence. According to satellite imagery shared by Maxar Technologies, more than a dozen distinctive white balloon-like objects have been systematically deployed around the damaged destroyer since May 23rd, creating an aerial constellation of mysterious apparitions that have captured international attention and sparked intense speculation among intelligence communities worldwide. These albescent objects exhibit sophisticated aerodynamic characteristics, including tail-fin configurations that suggest they represent miniaturized versions of aerostat aircraft, tethered balloons traditionally employed for surveillance and communication purposes, rather than simple inflatable devices with their pristine white coloration creating stark visual contrast against the darker maritime environment, while their substantial dimensions relative to the destroyer indicate industrial-scale manufacturing and standardized deployment protocols. Expert analysts propose multiple theoretical functions for these aerial sentinels, including maritime stabilization assistance, where the balloons serve as mechanical anchors, providing additional stability to prevent further displacement of the damaged vessel through creation of a stabilizing matrix that reduces wave-induced movement and facilitates precision salvage operations, counter-surveillance protection measures designed to obstruct foreign reconnaissance capabilities by creating aerial obstacles that complicate drone operations while potentially housing electronic warfare equipment capable of disrupting satellite communications from their optimal elevated positions, and salvage operation support infrastructure where the balloons function as platforms for specialized underwater cameras, lifting apparatus, and communication relays that benefit from stable positioning above the disaster site. The rapid deployment timeline, occurring within days of the initial catastrophe, suggests either pre-existing contingency plans or remarkably efficient emergency response capabilities, indicating sophisticated operational readiness that contradicts initial assessments of North Korean military incompetence while demonstrating the regime's determination to recover or secure sensitive military assets despite unprecedented international scrutiny. The geopolitical ramifications extend far beyond immediate salvage concerns, as regional powers interpret this unconventional response as evidence of North Korean technological adaptability and operational resilience, with the visible deployment serving multiple strategic purposes, including partial mitigation of the original disaster's embarrassment, demonstration of innovative problem-solving capabilities that may have been underestimated by international observers, and establishment of protective protocols that effectively complicate foreign intelligence collection efforts while salvage operations proceed. Maritime engineering specialists view the balloon deployment with professional curiosity, acknowledging both innovative application and technical merit despite unusual implementation, while military intelligence professionals recognize the system's potentially sophisticated dual-purpose nature as counter-surveillance operation masked as salvage assistance, and aerospace technology evaluators note the engineering sophistication visible in satellite imagery indicates North Korean capabilities extending beyond ballistic missile development into comprehensive defense industrial applications. Historical precedents exist for unconventional maritime recovery methods, including pneumatic lifting systems and hybrid mechanical approaches, with the balloon system representing modern evolution of established salvage principles, while introducing novel cross-domain technological integration that reflects broader trends in military technological convergence and adaptive engineering philosophy under crisis conditions. The technical specifications demand sophisticated solutions, addressing structural integrity preservation requirements, including consistent positioning. Despite maritime environmental challenges from wind, waves, and weather variations through advanced tethering and ballast systems, environmental protection protocols, considering marine ecosystem impact and navigation safety constraints, and hydrodynamic stability maintenance that avoids interference with existing forces affecting the sunken destroyer while preventing exacerbation of vessel displacement through careful analysis of balloon wake effects and surface wave pattern interactions. The persistent presence of these mysterious white sentinels creates an unprecedented maritime spectacle that combines elements of technological demonstration, operational necessity, and strategic communication, with their successful deployment establishing precedent for future unconventional operations while forcing international observers to reassess North Korean capabilities across traditional military domain boundaries. As the operation continues under constant satellite surveillance, the balloon system stands as testament to adaptive engineering and operational resilience, serving simultaneously as protective screen, technological showcase, and strategic message that transforms naval disaster into opportunity for capability demonstration, with the ultimate resolution promising valuable insights into North Korean technological sophistication, operational priorities, and strategic thinking that will influence regional security planning and military assessments for years to come, while these enigmatic white balloons remain silent guardians over one of the most unusual and closely watched naval incidents in recent maritime history, their presence ensuring that what began as embarrassing failure has evolved into compelling demonstration of unconventional problem-solving and technological innovation under international pressure.